Hey, I'm Daniel from Chicken Caravan. Today Kesatu wanna show you the Chicken Caravan 450. Holds 450 laying hens and can move across your paddocks for cell grazing. The Chicken Caravan 450 has 3 large doors on either side. Now these provide shade and shelter, and their unlockable gas struts. So to close them, you just simply pull this handle out and push them down, and you can shut them down at your desired height. And if ever you wanted to move your chickens to another location of the farm, it does have the functionality to be closed right down. Now we don't close them down at night. Most of the time 24/7. The hens are completely have access to go in and out of the caravan. But if Kesatu was moving the hens from say this location a few hundred meters away, Kesatu might wanna close the light down at night and transport the chickens while they're inside sleeping. And as soon as I've got to the other location, simply open it up, pull this handle, and Kesatu can pull the doors light open like that. Okay, so at the front of the Chicken Caravan, we've just got an ordinary 50mm towable hitch. It's got a built-in brake, so when you pack up you can just put the brake on. It's got a jack stand, and the same window you use to wind the eggs in. On the conveyor belt just goes on the jack stand. So inside the Chicken Caravan man area, this is an area where you can collect eggs. Totally undercover, you're not susceptible to the elements. And this is something that was very important to me, cause when Kesatu worked on egg farms years ago, Kesatu remember trying to collect eggs in the rain. Not in the Chicken Caravan 450. We've got a massive area here that's is all meshed off the chickens, so the chickens aren't in here. It's just for you when you come collect your eggs. You got a nice large shelf up here where you can put your spare egg trays, and down here at about waist height, this is where we collect our eggs. We got just a hand winder. Nothing to go wrong. Put it on the end and just wind the eggs in. Now in this particular caravan today, these hens have only just started laying. So it's not full of eggs, but normally you would look down the conveyor belt, and it could be 380 to 400 eggs right here. This shelf here, this is for your egg tray. Just simply stick your egg trays in. On certain you can put the eggs straight into it. So it's a very efficient system like that. I'll just show you some other features inside. This man area up the top here, this is the timer box. This is what operates the nesting box gates. So you can set the time for them to open. for them to close. Another feature inside it is just above the conveyor belt. We've got here what we call a lack of bed. So if you're on an angle, you can actually the whole nesting boxes, they just swing. So we've got a speed level inside, where we can just see and once that's level, just simply tighten it a couple of turns. And that'll lock off the nesting box. So that way you can use to get a fan on an even ground. Okay, so this level here, this is where the chickens perch. And just above the perches, these are our nesting boxes. So the chickens simply fly up to here. And then they've got access into the nesting boxes. Now inside the nesting boxes, we've got the soft hen laying mat. This is where they lay their eggs on. And the mats are just on an angle. So when they do lay their eggs on it, the egg just gently rolls down onto the conveyor belt for you to collect. Now these little flaps here, these are the privacy flaps. It just creates the nesting boxes, makes a little bit darker and doom, gives the chickens the feel of security. Just when they're inside, they can sort of hide behind it and lay their eggs. If they wanna push out, they're flexible enough. So for them to push in underneath if they want to.